Hello, hello, everybody. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're joining us from. And welcome back to the 30 Days AI Challenge hosted by Hills and Tech. You are all very much welcome. How is your day going? How is everything going? It's good to see you all. You're very much welcome. If you are just joining us, you are welcome to the 30 Days AI Challenge. You're welcome to the 30 Days AI Challenge. We are on day 21. Yes, we are on day 21. So if you've been with us since day one, congratulations and well done. We have covered so many AI tools and productivity tools. We've covered Loom, we've covered Google Workspace, Asana, Notion, Trello, Perplexity AI, ChatGPT, um, Copilot. We have covered a whole uh, lot of them. And for today, we have another tool that you can use to uh, prepare presentations. Today's topic is Gamma AI. If you've heard of Gamma before, um, well done. If you haven't, you're going to learn more about it today. So you're all very much welcome. If you're just joining us, the 30 Days AI Challenge is in celebration of International Women's Day, where for 30 minutes a day, you come and learn practical AI tools that can help improve your career, your business, and your general daily productivity. So, uh, let's join me to welcome our facilitator for today. If you have been with us, have um, you would recognize her name. She was here 2 days ago to teach us HubSpot, and she is back again today to take the session on Gamma. So, without further ado, join me as I invite Ebere to the stage. Yay. Hi, Ebere.
Hi everyone.
Hi.
Hello.
Hi. You're
Thank
very much welcome.
thank you. Thank you for having me.
Yes,
So
yes.
let's just
And
get
I'll
right
hand
to
over to
it.
you now. Yeah.
All right. So let's just get right to it. Gamma AI. This is what it looks like. So in order to access the website, you can just go to Gamma. That's GAMMA dot app, and you can sign up there, and from there you can use it for free. So basically, what Gamma AI is, it's a obviously it's a software that lets you create presentations, slides, and even websites from just like a few words of text. So here are all the different things that you can do with it. You can create presentations from scratch. You can turn your notes into presentations, enhance existing PowerPoints or PDF files, build a website, create social media assets, or generate images with AI. So yeah, that's a host of things you can do. Think about it like maybe PowerPoint or Canva, but with supercharged with AI. And yeah, so for now, we are going to just say that we aren't yet sure of what we want to do with Gamma, because this way we'll be able to get a wider range. Like it won't calibrate itself already into a specific lane. It gives you a wider range of possibilities. Okay. Okay. All right. So here are the different things you can do. The cool thing about Gamma is that if you already have notes, maybe in your notes app, you've jotted a few things down, or you've written an essay, or you've written like an article, you can copy and paste that into Gamma and have it generate um, slides for you. So you can create from a one line prompt in a few seconds, or paste in your text, or select a template and um it'll generate it for you based on an existing popular structure. Or you can import the slides you already have and enhance them using Gamma as well. So let's just start with the most basic one, which is creating from a one line prompt in a few seconds. Okay, so let's say we want to create a presentation. We want to start a coffee shop and we're trying to pitch it to an investor. Um, and let's say that our coffee shop's unique selling point is that it's based on Lagosian themes. Okay, all right. So we can see in a couple of seconds it's generated um, lines, an outline for us, I mean, with different texts, and it follows the typical structure of a pitch deck, which is the cover, the problem framing, the solution description, and then the target market, the offers, the marketing strategy, the financial information, and then the team as well. You can also go ahead and add cards. I'm just gonna add like a thank you card. Okay, because when I make pitch decks, I do include a thank you card at the end. I find it's kind of cheesy, but I feel like it works. Yeah. So let's keep it concise, just as it is. And for the visuals, we can say we want to use AI images, and we're just gonna leave that as is. We don't want to. I don't want to mess around with the model of the AI that we're using for this particular exercise. And so we also get to choose the image art style. So for this,
Hi,
for
Ebere. Sorry to interrupt you. Could you zoom in a little bit, please?
oh no problem.
Thank you.
All
Okay.
right. So for this, I think illustration works. Maybe we could switch to line art. Let's just see how it comes out. Let's switch to line art. Um, extra keywords to help the inspiration be a bit clearer. Let's say um we want fun patterns, and we also want a monochrome palette. What else? Okay, let's use geometric as well. And lastly, let's see classy. All right. So let's see. We hit generate. And in a matter of seconds, about 10 seconds to be exact, we have 9 full slides. Let's take a look. Let's go back to the beginning. So we have Cafe Lagos, a unique and authentic experience. The images generated by the AI in mere seconds, the copy, the titles, and of course, if you aren't satisfied with any of this, you can edit it yourself, especially the writing, the copy. Oh, and pardon me that this is in French. I'm not too sure what's going on there, but yeah, stunning, amazing imagery in a matter of seconds, and then we can go ahead and put our own information, especially on pages like this one where we talk about financial projections. For this, you probably want to manually edit this to make sure that the information you're presenting is correct. But overall, we already have a template that is beautiful, functional, and ready to go. Yeah, and even the thank you card has been well created with a little floor plan there. Okay, so let's see. Now, another thing to take note of is this: we have a call to action already set up to go. We didn't include that in our prompt, but from the mere fact that we mentioned in our prompt that we want to create a pitch deck, it knew that you should have a call to action. And so a button has already been graphically created, but it's not just graphic. There's an actual place to put the link right here. So the dummy email that has been included is info@cafelagos.com, but you can go ahead and switch that out. Um, which is really smart. So that also shows you how smart Gamma is, but it also shows you how much the quality of the prompts that you're providing, how important that is. So being making sure that you're being clear in what you want will get you further with less time. So another thing that we probably want to look at is changing colors around. So for instance, um let's say that our cafe shop is actually going to be green and pink, for instance. This purple is not going to cut it. So we can just tap on the color. You see a space called theme colors, and then you kind of edit that. So if you're a designer, you probably know what this is already when you have design systems. But if you're not, it's completely okay. They make it very, very, very user friendly. You can just quickly, with a tap of a few buttons, change what you want your primary color to be. So throughout this presentation, we've seen a lot of purple accents, purple buttons, purple text. So if we want to change that, we can just say, actually, we want it to be pink. And everything within the, pardon me, everything within the color system changes. Let's say we don't want white backgrounds. Let's say we want something warmer, like orange. So let's, pardon me, orange is proving difficult to get. Nice. Maybe a little lighter. Okay. And let's say we want green headings, forest green headings. Oh, pardon me. This is taking a moment to load. Got it. All right. So we're going to make sure you save the theme. And voila, we've changed every single color within this presentation to match the ones that we picked. So obviously you're going to want to work with whoever's doing your brand design to make sure that all your colors are aligned. But it's just a very quick and easy way to make presentation cohesive with the rest of the brand of your company. So those are the basic features of Gamma. We have a toolbar at the side where you can change anything. You can change maybe the layout. You can include diagrams, bar charts, just like in PowerPoint, or if you are used to using Excel for creating bar charts, you can also do that, but it's provided in here. You can embed videos and media, and you can also embed apps and web pages. So imagine you have a website that you want to link, at this last card where I have the thank you card, maybe instead of this picture, you have embedded a website. So let's say you can even embed your Instagram page as well. You can just type in that this picture is going to take you to www.yourbusinessname.com. So we're not going to save this just because, yes, this is a made up website, but this is all the amazing things you can do with Gamma rather than sweating over a pitch deck for hours. You can just do this. So yeah. Okay. Now when it comes to sharing this, you can, oh, by the way, you can still access the agent from here. You can tell it to change different things about the entire slide at a single go. So maybe you want to translate it to a different language. For instance, let's say we want to change it from French to Arabic. So the agent is going to work on that for a little bit. And in a matter of seconds, your entire pitch deck is in a new language. So you never have to be separated from any of your investors or your bosses that have that speak different languages. That is really cool. Um, you can say you want it to be more maximalist visual styling. Okay, so it's giving you some options. But for now, I'm just going to clear that. We don't really need it. And then to share it, you can present the link. You can share the link in present mode, I mean. All right, escape that. Give me a second. And voila. That's about it for Gamma. It's super simple and super effective, as you can see. And yeah, I hope you were able to learn something from this. Are there any questions? Are
Okay,
there any?
hi Ebere. Yes. So thank you so much for that. Are we going to this can we have a look at the prompt again?
Oh, okay. So at the bottom of your slide deck, if you want to go back to your prompt, there's a button right here for that. You can just click it back to prompt.
Okay.
And you can see right here, create a pitch deck for a small coffee shop based on Lagosian themes, right? And the first thing that it did was generate an outline of what cards are going to be included. Then it started getting more information about what style we want our pitch deck to be, the writing, the images, the vibe. You also can, of course, change the language from here or do it um after you've created the slide deck. So yeah, this is it. This is how you do it.
Amazing.
Just going to set it to a random language and generate again. I set it to Hausa this time.
Cool. Uh, okay.
Fantastic. All right. So
All
are there any
right.
questions?
Thank you so much. Um, Hello, everyone. Please continue to leave your comments and your questions in the comment section. Oh, I have comments like, oh, thank you, best class, comments from you more. Thank you so much, you more. So, if you have more questions, please leave them in the comment section. Uh, could we? Hmm, what else could we try with gamma? We've pre we've created um a pitch
A
deck,
pitch deck.
and we
Yep.
yes, and we can share it, and we can share like in presentation mode. What if we wanted to like share as like a PDF, or can we like have it as like a PPTX and use it with like a different like
Oh yeah.
Microsoft PowerPoint or something like that?
In the same place where you see the what's it called? The present button on that menu, that drop down menu, there's a share in other ways. So that would include you'll be able to
Okay.
download it as PDF, as images. But I do believe that some of those features are for like the premium version of Gamma.
Okay.
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 So aside from like a presentation, you can make a web page, like a landing page, or maybe even social media images. So let's say we have a campaign, create a set of
Oh,
campaign.
your screen is frozen.
Oh, um,
I can
I'm not sure.
see the end of the pitch deck. Is that what you're sharing?
No, I'm starting another thing.
Okay. Okay. Could you stop sharing and then try to share again? In case that might be the issue. Okay.
All right. Okay. So we're gonna create a set of campaign materials for
Okay.
International Women's Day with flower themes. Okay. And this time maybe we want it in for some reason I
Spanish.
can't find English. So we're gonna use
Can we
Spanish.
search? Can we search for English?
No, I don't think you can search inside the language drop down, unfortunately. So
Okay.
we're gonna work with at this time let's use illustrative. Oh no, abstract. Let's say organic, fluid, and gradient. Those are the vibes we want this time. So let's see. Okay. So if you're a social media manager, you've just saved yourself maybe an hour of work and you have a set of story posts just like that.
Wow.
Okay. Admittedly, this one isn't as good looking as our pitch deck, but you can always regenerate and try again until you have something like a base that you're happy with. Or if you're happy with this base and you just want to switch out the pictures, you can also do that. The way Gamma is, it makes everything super user friendly. It's very easy to figure out. So I hope you guys are able to learn something from today's class. I think that's about it from me.
Yes, thank you so much, Ebere. Thank you. It was very um, intellectual. I really learned a lot, and I really liked our pitch deck, and I was actually like trying it on my end as well. So thank you so much, Ebere. I really appreciate you taking the time out of your busy schedule to join us and share your knowledge with us. Thank you. And to
You're so
everyone who
welcome.
joined us today, I know it's the weekend. I hope your weekend is going well. Thank you so much for joining us. We've tried our best to keep it under 30 minutes for you so you can get on with your day. And we'll see you tomorrow for day 22 at 5 p.m., of course. So we're back to our usual schedule of 5 p.m. So I hope to see you all at the end of the 30 days. Thank you all for joining us. Do enjoy the rest of your weekend, everybody. Have a lovely day. Bye. Thank you, Yumo. Thank you, Cynthia. Bye.